The owners of this iconic 1942 diner built a new restaurant on the original site, 3 times larger, and designed to accommodate up to 20,000 customers weekly. The new interior captures the retro ambiance of the old-school diner with a contemporary flair. 4 epoxy terrazzo colors in intricate custom design patterns and motifs elevate the visual appeal of the interior while providing subtle wayfinding and easy care toughness and longevity to stand up to high traffic. Many radial strips and larger logo designs were produced in a metal fabrication shop and soldered to mesh for installation, coming together like a puzzle on site, with some composed of 10 separate pieces. Each piece was clamped together and detailed with a solder before priming to the substrate. The floor was grouted twice between each final 400 grit polish. Upon completion of the floor and surrounding finishes, the owner requested custom terrazzo tabletops to match a floor accent color. Work was completed in 3 relatively continuous phases divided at control joints. The resulting interior is a harmonious blend of history and quality craftsmanship. For an exemplary accomplishment at Top's Diner in Newark, New Jersey, we present this award to Imperial Flooring of Freehold, New Jersey.